Hey everyone, I am here today to give you a quick color spotlight of Estetica's Silversun Rooted. This color, let me grab the tag for you, is unbelievably cool. It's Silversun RT8 is what it's called. And I have her on Avalon. I have a review of Avalon, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on Avalon. You can go and see my full review. This wig is on loan from a wig sister who lives here locally, and we've become really good friends, and she just offered to let me take a look at this one and said I could do a review if I wanted to, so here we are. This is a very bright platinum white wig, just like almost blindingly bright, and on a dark root. So this is a number 8 root, which is a medium dark brown, and it definitely looks dark next to this platinum white color. It's interesting though because it does look brown next to it. Sometimes you get these rooting, and if they're dark on like a blonde, they can sometimes look sort of black. I would say this one looks brown. It really does. And look at how it kind of gradually goes into the light color right on the edges here. So interesting. So let's take a look at this color on all sides. It's so pretty. It's really gorgeous. And of course Avalon is stunning. Something I noticed right away is this color is just a little bit shiny. I probably wouldn't put anything on it to tame the shine because I don't think it's super over the top, but I think some people might find it a little shiny. Something else is that this doesn't look like a natural color. So it doesn't look like your hair has gone white. It definitely looks like you've done something to it, and part of why that is because of how dark this rooting is. Somebody with naturally white hair like this isn't going to have such dark rooting. So I mean, that's one giveaway, but I think if you're going for a color like this, you're not really looking for a natural color. You're looking for something bold, and you want to do something fun. Another thing that I really like about this color, if you're a brunette, this color is going to allow you to worry less about blending your bio hair. Here's my bio hair on the sides here, and it just really blends in with that dark root. So I don't have to worry about coverage on this wig as much as I might, because my bio hair is going to blend right into that dark root. So that's really awesome about this color. I just find it to be really fun and beautiful. So I'm going to get outside for you guys to see it in outside light as well. But since this is a color spotlight, I really just want to highlight the color. So if you've been considering Silversun Rooted, now you've got another video to review before you make a decision to buy. I think it's beautiful. I would need, personally, to wear this color, I would need to be wanting to do something way out of my comfort zone and super bold. You know, maybe for just a costume party, maybe. I hate to say that though, because it doesn't look like it's not wiggy. It's interesting. And so I just think, keep in mind, you might love this, but if you're not ready to do something bold like this, this is going to feel bold to you. But it's just beautiful. Alright guys, stick around and I'll show it to you outside. Alright everyone, here we are outside with Silversun Rooted. It's just a beautiful, beautiful color. One thing I didn't show inside, which I want to show now, is the lace front. There you go. You've got that super dark rooting, which does give the knotting a little bit of prominence, but not too bad at all. I would wear this up off the face with no issues whatsoever. I just think it's a beautiful platinum. It's so fun. Just beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys.